this school, it really exemplifies like you get in what you put out. The more I was able to have a good relationship with my instructors, and the more questions I asked, and the more I was just being a classmate with my classmates, the better experience it was.
I saw that there was welding and woodworking and metalworking and the machine shop. All seeing that there's so many different avenues in gunsmithing, I knew that was what was for me.
The way they have you set up and they give you skills throughout the process really helps you be ready for when you jump into machining or when you jump into DNF and you are actually working on customer firearms.
It's fun. Like, you get to be around guns all day, you know, and you get to make your own rifle and test fire and do everything yourself. So you get to make it your own.
Now that I know how these things function and how to repair them and do all of the machining necessary for a lot of different things as well, it's definitely just enhanced the thing that I already had.
I highly recommend it. I actually have a couple buddies right now looking into getting into it just from talking to them about what I do. Basically touched on every part as far as machining, basics, Cerakote, everything. You've brought it up, and we get a lot of help here, and you get your money's worth, that's for sure. And it's definitely worth it, in my opinion.
Take a tour. Cole and the team up in the front office give you a thorough rundown as to what it is. And also, don't be afraid to take the leap.
If you can come visit, I think for me is what put me over the edge, to be able to walk through the school and see all the equipment they have and the amounts of different things you're going to learn.
Just give it a shot. Like, if anything, you come out of there with some kind of machine work experience or woodworking experience, definitely learn a lot more about firearms than when you started.
Trust your gut, do it. Because I was terrified to come here. I was like, I'm gonna be one of very few girls. And I walked in here, day one, all the guys treated me just like everybody else. Don't be scared, you learn a lot. There is instructors here for one purpose only, to teach you. And there's a lot of stuff that I'll take here and keep it for the rest of my life.